Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without pulling your hair out. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with two heavyweights from Anycubic, the Kobra 2 Neo and the Kobra 2 Max. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the Kobra 2 Neo, the sprinter of the 3D printing world. This bad boy is priced at $239. That's right, less than the cost of a year's supply of avocado toast. But don't let the price fool you. This thing is fast. With a max speed of 250 millimeters per second, it's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. Recommended speed is 150 millimeters per second, which is still faster than me running to the fridge during a commercial break. Reviewers love its speed and ease of setup, calling it their go-to printer for quick and reliable prints. Now, let's talk about the Kobra 2 Max, the heavyweight champ priced at $719. That's a bit of a jump, but hey, it's like comparing a bicycle to a Ferrari. This beast boasts a max speed of 500 millimeters per second and 10,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's like strapping a rocket to your models. Recommended speed, a casual 300 millimeters per second. Reviewers mention its incredible speed and large build volume, making it ideal for extensive projects. The Neo's got a new integrated extruder and a cooling system that melts filaments quicker than ice cream on a hot summer day. And with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, it ensures your models are cooled and molded faster than you can say 3D printing wizardry. Reviewers appreciate its precision and quality, with many noting the printer's reliability over extended use. Both of these printers come with smart features that make you feel like you're living in the future. The Neo's got the LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling. Think of it like having a robot butler making sure everything's perfectly aligned. The Max, it's got smart app control, Bluetooth provisioning, real-time video supervision, and more. It's like having a 3D printing command center in your pocket. However, the Max's smart features have received mixed reviews, with some users finding the closed ecosystem limiting. In terms of customer service, both printers come with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. So if anything goes wrong, you can always reach out to Anycubic's support team. It's like having a safety net for your 3D printing adventures. Reviewers generally find Anycubic's customer service responsive and helpful, though there are occasional complaints about connectivity and software issues. Overall, users find the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo to be a fast and reliable 3D printer, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. The Kobra 2 Max, while more expensive, offers blazing speeds and a large build volume, making it ideal for more extensive projects. Both printers have their quirks, but Anycubic's customer service generally receives positive marks. That's it for today, smart shoppers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. And drop a comment below. Are you Team Neo or Team Max? Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.